In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 step by step. And the good thing is, even if your PC officially does not support Windows 11, you can still install it using a simple method. Just follow every step carefully because skipping steps can cause installation errors. Let's begin. The first thing you need is the Windows 11 ISO file. To download it, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO and search. Open the official Microsoft download page. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Under Select Download, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click Download. Next, select your language. Choose English and click Confirm. After that, click 64-bit download. The ISO file is large, so the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Wait until the full file finishes downloading. After downloading the ISO file, the next step is extracting it. For that, open a new browser tab and search for 7-zip. Open the official 7-zip website and download the version for your system. Once downloaded, open the file and run it as administrator. Click Install, wait for installation to complete, then close it. Now go back to your downloaded Windows 11 ISO file. Right-click the ISO file. Choose 7-zip, then click Extract Files. Click OK to begin extraction. A new folder will appear containing all setup files. Wait until extraction fully completes. Once extraction is finished, open the extracted folder. Inside it, you will find a file named Setup. This is the file used to start Windows installation. Right-click Setup and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if permission appears. Windows Setup will now open. Click Next. At this stage, your PC checks compatibility. If your PC officially supports Windows 11, installation continues normally. But if your PC does not support Windows 11, you may see a message saying your PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. If that happens, don't worry. Close the setup window. Inside the same extracted folder, open the sources folder. Now open Windows Search. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Inside the sources folder, click the address bar at the top and copy the full folder path. Return to command prompt. Type CD, press space, then paste the copied folder path. Press Enter. Now type this command carefully. Setup rep. Doxe product server. Then press Enter. This starts setup again, but now bypasses the normal hardware restriction. Windows setup opens again. Click Next. Wait while setup prepares files. Now you should move directly to the license agreement screen without the compatibility error. Accept the license terms, then click Next. Now you will see Choose What to Keep. Here you get 3 options. The first option keeps your files, settings, and installed apps. This means everything stays exactly as it is. and only Windows changes to Windows 11. The second option keeps personal files only. Apps will be removed, but files remain. The third option removes everything. This performs a clean installation. If you want nothing deleted, choose the first option, then click Next. Windows now prepares the final installation. When the final screen appears, click Install. The upgrade process will begin. This takes some time, so wait patiently. Your PC will restart several times during installation. Do not turn off the computer during this stage. If your PC has a password, log in when required and let setup continue. After several restarts, you'll eventually reach the final setup screen. Once complete, your computer opens in Windows 11. Your files, folders, and applications should remain exactly where they were if you selected the first option. Only the interface changes, and your wallpaper may also change because of the new Windows version. And that is the full process to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thanks for watching.